Yo, what's up guys? Thank you so much for stopping by. We are exactly in the capital city of Manila, of the Philippines, Manila. Right now we are gonna go and just show you the town, just walk around, film a couple of videos for you guys. It's an amazing city, Manila. It's the second biggest city in the Philippines after Davao, with a population of almost 14 million population. You can see the people is selling things on the streets. It's super local here. السلام عليكم الاخوان، كي دايرين؟ بخير؟ كلشي مزيان. انا كنتواجدوا في مدينه مانيلا اللي هي العاصمه ديال الفلبين، ثاني اكبر مدينه في الفلبين من بعد دافاو. عندهم هذه المدينه عندها تقريبا 14 مليون نسمه كما كتشوفوا، وكبيره، مدينه كبيره بزاف. وانا كنتواجد واحد البلاصه سميتها كتسمى بنفس السميه ديال المدينه مانيلا حتى هي، كاينه مانيلا سيتي وكاينه ستيت ولايه. So we're just gonna take about 20-25 minutes video or even less to give you the feel of this amazing city. What I like about Manila is that it's not very touristy. It's super local. Hello. It's very, very local, and by visiting this city you get to learn about the Philippine culture, the history, the not just the touristy parts. With you visiting Manila, it's like really, really, really local. It feels like you are in a totally different world. And the people here, they are just amazing. They're just amazing. They're so wonderful people, very, very friendly. And yeah, I'm so happy to come here. I just arrived like 4 days ago, and I'm loving it so far. I didn't want to just like fly to the islands. I wanted to stop here because I want to learn about the town. Yeah, you go first. Okay, there you go. We have these old buses, you can see it's a local bus. عندهم هاد الكيران قدامين، هادو باش كيديروا الترونسبور هنايا. هذا هو عندهم طاكسي، عندهم دواخل، هادو مشهورين عندهم هاد الكيران الصغار. They look so cool. This it's like a jeep. It's super cool. And people here, they still have masks. Hey, my friend. What's your name? What's your name? San Miguel.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Will you give me mini stuff you food?
Sorry?
Mini stuff you food.
You want some food?
Yeah.
Let me see if I have some money.
Yes.
Okay, here.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
So the things here in some parts of Manila, they have this some people sleep in the streets. I feel sorry for them. Hello, my friend.
My friend.
How are you? What is that?
Mango.
What?
Mango.
Mango?
Oh.
How much?
No.
I just want small one. Thank you. No, just one.
One.
Or maybe pineapple?
Pineapple.
Yes, please. Pineapple, yeah.
Pineapple.
Are you from this area? Just half of that's my. No salt. Salt?
Sure.
No salt. Just half, please. Okay. How much?
50 million.
How much?
50 peso.
50, okay.
Watermelon, my friend.
Yeah, looks good, man. You said 50 peso. Okay, here you go.
My friend, thank you, my friend. Very much.
Enjoy, brother.
You come back tomorrow, my friend.
Inshallah.
You give me papaya.
Okay. I will be back. Thank you, man. You want it? So he charged me like he charged me about $1 for like a pineapple. I think it cost a little cheaper, but it's okay. I'm happy to pay for that. Help people, you know. I hope you guys enjoying the video with us. We are gonna keep walking down the road until the oldest part of Manila, Intramuros. The area called Intramuros. It's about 400 years old, and it's the first place that was built in this city, Manila. So we're gonna head there. We will also like walk around. It's small area. كما كتشوفوا الخوت صاحبونا مول الباينابل والاناناس. شرينا عنده اناناس ب 10 دراهم. 10 دراهم مغربيه. المهم راه كيدير داكشي رخيص، ولكن غير بشي 3 دراهم، ولكن ماشي مشكل. نتمناو راكم تمتعوا معنا بالجوله السياحيه هنايا مانيلا.